Hi, this is Dina with Pretty Productive. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today what I'm going to do is a very quick video announcing a sale and new releases for today, which is Friday, July 3rd. The sale is going to go until midnight on Sunday, July 5th. And the entire shop is 25% off, and you don't need a code. So it's just already listed. So, and the shop name is Pretty Productive, just in case you don't know, on Etsy. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about are the two new budget kits. There's a third one that I'm almost done with that I'm gonna try to get up this weekend, but just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and these two are already listed. So it's a 4-piece kit. You can buy them individually or you can buy them all together. It's up to you. This is the budget headers, the thin washi, the thick washi, and then the budget strips. There might be a better name for them, but that's what I call them. And then this is the second kit. It of course comes with the budget headers, the thin washi, the budget strips, and then the thick washi. It's very much in a pastel-y floral mood. And then there are new script stickers in the shop as well as a new font. So we originally had 6 fonts in the shop. Apricots is by far our most popular. Market Saturday is probably number 2. And then I just added Jen Plans. So if you follow Jen Dupree on Instagram, her handwriting is just amazing. Well, she came up with her own font, and she did sell a commercial license, so I was able to get that so that we can now bring her scripts into the shop. So this is the first one. It's birthday. I think you get 45 on here. And then a lot of people didn't know, but we do foiling, but we also have colored paper. So this is the pink paper with the gold foiling, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but I love the look of the pink with the gold. And then we also offer yellow, green, and blue, all pastels. And then we have a vinyl that is a waterproof polyester that works really well for things like tabs or anything that you want that is gonna take a little bit of wear and tear. It does also come with, it does foil beautifully as well. And most of our paper, the white paper, is removable matte. We do have a regular matte sticker paper, but I don't use it very often because the removable matte is more of a premium paper. It also foils as well. So the next script is Cash Stuffing. And then this is the pink with silver. I don't know if you can see that. This week, next week, this month. I use this in my sidebar on my life planner because I always write these in, and then finally I decided I'd make a script for it. This is pink with gold, conference call, and then pink with gold, pink with gold, pink with silver. And then, nope, not today, not happening, and please and thank you. If you ever watch Parks and Rec, Rana would always say please and thank you. So my daughter and I say that all the time. And then again, this is the regular white paper, and then we do have clear that we use for the foiling as well. And this is the, I think this is the rose gold foil. And then I just added Walk, and this is a font called Carolina. It is also new to the shop, and it does come with an embellishment on the beginning and the end, like a swoosh if you like that kind of a script. I happen to love that kind. So Walk, and then same with clear, and this is rose gold. Then I brought in binder clips, and this is them on clear with gold. And then the ones that are not listed yet, but I hope to have, and you could just put a note in seller, this is the new set of envelopes. This is what I've been using in my budget videos. So this is what the set looks like. I have photographed them, but I have not listed them, but they will be listed shortly, hopefully. And then some ones that I'm kind of going back and forth on, I'd like to do, I just kind of want to get a comment or two if this is something that you would like. I asked my daughter to handwrite the months of the year. So this is January through December. And then in a larger format, if you wanted this as your header, because our kits are all generic, but if you wanted to say, you know, this is my August kit or whatever, then you could use these as well. So this is July through December and January through June. And then I made these up because I was constantly looking for boxes when I was using kits, and I wanted to have choices in colors. So these are the Erin Condren colors. So we did import the Erin Condren swatches into Affinity, and we've been using those colors just to have them match the kits and the stickers that are provided. So this is the yellow, and they do have different names. I also did gold. This one is rose gold, gold, and silver, and this is on the kind of the waterproof polyester vinyl paper, so you can write on that. And then this is called cornflower, I believe, and then just basic black. This one is kind of a brown, kind of a taupey brown, not a dark brown. And then this is a teal, purple, and tan. I also have pink, but I didn't have that one printed. So leave a comment below if you're looking for something like that. You know, and they're the half boxes, the full boxes, and the quarter boxes. So that's how they're formatted. So they're basically will fit within the width of the Erin Condren vertical or Really Happy planner, or most of them are sized for the 7x9. And then I also created some headers because I would find that I would not have what I needed. So there's this palette. This one's more purples and copper. Purples with gray. Pink. This one's kind of a peachy pink, and then blue, and then a very light color. And then I did make full sheets for gray today, meals this week to do, and then some blank ones, and then kind of a pink. So these were the two colors that I kept needing and not having, but I do have this pattern in many colors. In fact, here's most of them. And then I created some full boxes for the vertical planner as well. And this was the first palette that I did. So they look like glitter, which obviously, you know, they're paper, but they're glitter boxes. And I did these because I use little pictures in my Plan With Me's for my memory keeping. And I need something behind the picture to fill up the space, but I didn't want to have anything with a pattern. So I just needed something that was clear, but that had enough color to it that it would make the picture pop. When I tried clear boxes, it didn't look right. So I did these, and I'm liking this a lot better. So these will probably come into the shop. And then I did do date dots, and these are a 12-point size, so they've been working perfectly in all of the different date covers that I have. And then, of course, you can foil or non-foil, and there are 4 sets on a page. So these I have not put into the shop. I think I will, but just drop a note below if that's something that you feel would be worth to put in the shop, or if it's something that you're all set and you don't really need additional date dots. Okay, so that is everything for today. I did want to also say that we will be announcing our winner for our giveaway bundle, our budget bundle. I just have to have one more person look at it. I've gone through every single note on YouTube and giveaways and contests to make sure that I did everything correctly, because I don't want to be shut down. So I hopefully will be able to announce the winner today. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.